Heidi-ho, all my little YouTubers out there in YouTube land. Today, I'm going to do another Australian. Look, these are gorgeous, these coins. There's Lizzie. Right, yep, same old, same old. How's everybody doing? Yep, it's 1:30 early in the morning. Just up, had a cup of tea before I go off to my Christmas market. Yesterday was not a bad day. It's only my second day, but I saw some stuff. Saw the bottle clock, some earrings and stuff like that. So yeah, it's okay. This is Big Bertha. And we need to slap her on the bottom again. J-Lo, come on. And last night I was making glass as soon as I come on. There's bloody glass everywhere. Will I survive the next 28 days? We shall see. Right, let's break out Christy Burr. We just want to clean up that edge. It's not too bad, but there's a little bit of roughness there. Just want to make sure there's no cracks forming or splits. You know the score. Blah, 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 blah. If you're new to the channel and you want to subscribe, there's a little red button, bottom right hand corner of the video. You can hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon, you're notified every time I upload a video. I try to do one every day, but this next 30 days is going to be a bit difficult. But I'll keep trying. I actually went to bed a bit early last night, 11 o'clock. Right, there you go, that's clean. Let's show some love with Bernie the fire starter. Yeah, I've had a couple of questions about the punch size hole I use. There's a couple of different ones I can use. Well, there's three I use. I use a 1/2 inch, which is this one. I do a 7/16. And I also do a tiny hole, which is 3/8. They're the only three I use. I don't often use a 3/8 punch because it's very, very small. It's okay for tiny, tiny, tiny coins. But if I was to use all three of them punches on this coin, and a kitchen roll, and I was all to take them to say a size 9, they'd all be a size 9, but the width of the band would be different. This would be the thinnest band, and the 3/8 would be the thickest band. But the more metal, the more stretching, so you're going to have a thinner band if you like thickness of the ring. If you want, I'll do your video doing 2 rings at the same time. Right, that's enough of that. Enough chit chat. But thanks for your comments, yeah. Right, let's go over to Big Red. Big Bear Red. And let's fold it. Yeah, I'm glad to hear you're on the mend, Beer. Right, let's grab Sandy. We're just going to clean up that edge, make sure it's happy days. Not too bad. A bit more. Good for me. Good for you. And a bit for that gorgeous blonde on the 3rd floor. Right, there you go. That's good. Let's show it a bit more love with Bernie. I've got about 200,000 lighters around here somewhere. Can I find one? Obviously not. A lovely girl yesterday. She bought one of my bottle clocks and some tiny pendants for her sister and her. Lovely kid. She's an artist. She's off to Spain for 3 or 4 weeks. Lucky girl, eh? Get them shorts on again. Yeah, it's now, oh, it's plus 8 this morning. All the snow's melted. But it's funny, all the women have got their scarves on and their bloody great big jumpers and, you know. Right. Let's go over to our favourite little toy. Spike. There he is. Don't you just love him? I love him. Right, this is a ring stretcher. I won't say it, guys. I've said it quite a few times already. See, if I'd have used a smaller punch, instead of it starting about there on Spike, it would have been up there. So I'd have to stretch it even more. So you'd have a thinner band. You'd have a wider band, but you'd also have a thinner band, if that makes any sense to you. It's a bit early for me. It don't make much sense to me at the moment. Jesus wept. I'm just up. Because you want the top of this coin to touch the top of Spike. Right, let's give it another couple. Yeah, that's pretty sexy. See? Still cone shaped. So, we'll, I'll give it a bit more love, I think. I like these Australian coins, they're pretty good. Okie dokie. Yeah, if there's any new people out there watching and you're looking for a custom ring, I could be your man. I won't sing it again. Stand by your man. It reminds me of that Bond film with Robbie Coltrane. And Russian Birds was stood there singing, "Stand by yourself," sort of shut up. She gives him the finger. Bond. James Bond. So who do you think was the best Bond? I like Sean Connery, but then again, I'm an old fart. I was brought up with James Bond. It's not James Bond anymore. James Bond used to be great with all the gadgets, and now it's just like another action movie. They spoilt it, in my eyes. Oh la la. Oh shit, I forgot to take you over there again. There you go. You've seen it before 1,000 times. Well, not 1,000 times, because I've only been doing this for 4 or 5 months. No, 4 months, I don't know. You thought I'd have got it sussed out by now. Still a bit more. Close, but I think, let me look with my beady little eye. Now that ain't too bad. Yeah, that's nice and flat, straight walls. Right. I'm just going to use Kate on this one. I'll do a few of the old satin looks just in case there's anybody new here. Hey, look at her. Pretty damn sexy today, ain't she? Brand new. Back from the hairdressers. I do clear coat all my rings, but not until you've bought them. Otherwise, if you was to wanted me to adjust this ring for you, I'd do in the clear coat. So once you've bought one, I then clear coat it. It takes a day or so to dry, and I ship it off to you. How's that looking? Is there a lip? A little bit. Just a little bit. Christy Bear again. Yeah, Bear, I sent your rings priority with a little something extra in there. I don't know why I'm laughing. I've had my fix of tea this morning, so I'm not a coffee drinker. And the tea in Finland's absolute pants. You ask for a cup of tea, they say, "What flavour do you want?" I mean, Jesus sweat, man, I want a cup of tea. And the tea here is like raspberry flavour, cherry flavour, you know, with a bit of string on it, and a bit of card stuck on the end, with a bloody great staple through the tea bag. So each year I go and visit my friends in the UK. I bring back 1,200 tea bags. Yorkshire tea, best tea in the world, I think. You know how you can drink a cup of tea with flavour of bloody raspberries or Jesus wet. There you go, folks. Let's This is just like fine steel wool. If you wanted this highly polished, I'll do it for you. But I do like the satin look. I think it's a lot nicer. There you go, folks. One Aussie ring. It's pretty damn sexy, isn't it? And on the inside, it says, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. And on this side it says, thank you so much, have a great day, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Right, what size we got? Where's my UK one? Well, my UK, European one. Here it is. Right, we've got a size. This is a size 65, 66, 66 and a quarter. But I can adjust it up or down. So thank you so much. Have a great day, and I'll catch you tomorrow if I'm still alive. Take it easy. Bye-bye.